Welcome back to Auto Garage, the home for the latest updates, reviews, and news on the hottest cars hitting the streets. If you're passionate about automotive excellence and love staying ahead of the curve, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from Auto Garage. Now let's get into today's exciting news, the official unveiling of the 2026 BMW M8 new series. BMW has just taken the wraps off its next-generation M8, and it's nothing short of stunning. The 2026 model brings a bold redesign, cutting-edge technology, and enhanced performance to one of BMW's most iconic Grand Tourers. On the exterior, the 2026 M8 features a sleeker and more aggressive body with a reworked kidney grille, laser-thin adaptive LED headlights, and a lower, wider stance. Aerodynamic efficiency has been improved with active air intakes, a sculpted rear diffuser, and a carbon fiber roof to reduce weight and lower the center of gravity. Under the hood, BMW stays true to its performance roots. The 2026 M8 is powered by a re-engineered 4.4-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine that now produces a jaw-dropping 670 horsepower and 640 lb-ft of torque. That's a 20 horsepower bump over the previous generation. Mated to an 8-speed M-Steptronic transmission and BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system with rear-wheel drive mode, the new M8 rockets from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.8 seconds. Inside, the cabin blends luxury with motorsport DNA. You'll find full merino leather upholstery, heated and ventilated M-Sport seats, a redesigned flat-bottom steering wheel, and a new curved 14.9-inch infotainment screen powered by BMW's iDrive 9. The system includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, 5G connectivity, voice assistant integration, and over-the-air updates. For audiophiles, the 2026 M8 includes a 16-speaker Bowers & Wilkins Diamond surround sound system as standard. Optional packages include a carbon exterior package, M-carbon ceramic brakes, and a new semi-autonomous driving system called Highway Assistant, which allows for hands-free driving on select highways up to 85 miles per hour. BMW hasn't just focused on speed and tech, they've enhanced ride comfort as well. The Adaptive M Suspension Pro system has been recalibrated for both dynamic cornering and smooth cruising, making the M8 suitable for both the track and long-distance touring. As for pricing, the 2026 BMW M8 Coupe starts at $143,500, while the M8 Convertible comes in at $152,900. A limited production M8 Competition Track Edition, featuring more carbon fiber and unique styling elements, will be offered at $165,000 and only 500 units will be made worldwide. So, there you have it, the